Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select sound and vibration. Over here, tap on the switcher next to vibrate on ring. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also tap on the switcher next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll down and tap on the switcher next to reduce notification feedback on full screen to enable or disable this feature, and click on more sounds and haptics. Lastly, click on this switcher next to vibrate on touch to turn on or off touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!